Encrypting email in Gmail is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to click on the compose button here, and after you set in the email address of the sender, the subject, and the body of the email, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to click on this button that says toggle confidential mode. Now it says recipients would have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. You're going to set an expiration date for the email. You can set the highest expiration date is 5 years, and it says all passcode will be generated by Google. Choose to request a passcode or no passcode, and then you save. And once you're done and you send this email, the receiver is going to receive an encrypted email. They'll be able to read it, but they can't forward, copy, print, or download this email. And if you want to ensure that the receiver themselves open it, you can go to this confidential mode and you can put SMS code and then save. Now that's how you encrypt email in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.